In this video, I show you how to fix Gemini. Something went wrong. Please try again later problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Gemini. Click on Gemini. Click on force stop OK. Then click on storage and cache. Add storage, then delete. Now search for Google app. Click on Google. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Then click on storage and cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now open Gemini app. Use Gemini. Now search something. Now I hope that this method fix Gemini. Something went wrong. Please try again later problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.